Hi, welcome back to Campbell's Freedom Farm. My name's Taylor and this is Stefan, and he's carrying my soil for me, as you can see right there. Okay, so today what we're going to plant is a flower mix, but these are not just any flower mix. In my opinion, they're one of the best types of flowers because they're edible. So for me, I love all the edible flowers, all the edible herbs. Okay, so let me go ahead. First, this is from the Botanical Interest. So I have gotten these types of brands from the Botanical Garden in the past. Not right now, but before all of this. But you can also order these on Amazon, and I'm gonna link below. So you guys should order these seeds there. It's perfect. And also I wanna point out, plant these with your children. It's fun. They can really see. It's different than planting a carrot or a radish, which is also wonderful too. But this way they get to see something even beautiful. For Stefan, he loves flowers, but he can also eat the flowers too. So they're great for decorating on cakes and salads. They look beautiful on the salads. If you look back at our previous video, we did a video with violets and we put them right on top. So go ahead and check that video out. That's a wonderful way to use these. So what we're gonna do, first let me read what's in here. So it has borage. Borage is a beautiful flower, and a lot of times you can freeze them in ice cubes and put them in drinks. And we also have nastrum. So nastrum has a little bit of a bittery taste, but it's very good. And the leaves and the flowers are edible. So I've grown this many times, and also it's very healthy for you too. And we have bachelor's button, and that's just beautiful. And then we have just a little bit of fennel and radish, because radish does have really pretty flowers when they come up. And then in here we also have a little bit of arugula, marigold, which are also edible if you didn't know that. A lot of times we use it just to keep the bugs away though. And we have basil, chives, and Johnny Jump Up, which is a pretty good name. So your child will love Johnny Jump Up. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's plant these. Are you ready? I need somebody, and make sure, one thing is to make sure you mix these up really good. Come on and help. No pickles then. Okay, all right. Now we've been doing a lot of plants. So first, I need a dumper. Do I have a dumper? I need some dumped in here. So go ahead and dump some in here. Good. Okay, good. That's good. So then let's scoot it around. Do you want to dump these seeds in? Okay, and we want to pat it down. Do you know how to pat down nicely? Okay, so pat it. Try patting it. Okay, so we really pat it down. Okay, now what's important, since this is a mix, is make sure you give it a good shake, because if not, you're going to just get one type of edible flower. Okay, so go ahead and just scatter it around. No, I already gave it a good shake, so now just scatter it in here nicely so you don't lose any. Make sure there's none on your finger. Good. Okay, and what's also great, and this was with any plant, then children can learn how to take some responsibility for it. They can learn how to water, and it takes time. You know, but really do it in a nice and loving way. That way they really have a love for plants. So it's a fun thing, and we're all at home, so it can add on to your science class. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, all we do is just kind of just scatter a little bit. We're just kind of breaking it in, not too much. All right, so this is the edible flower mix, Edible Beauties by the Botanical Interest. Please subscribe and like, and let us know if you plant these. And remember, this is for all ages. Bye.